Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do some bruising on the skin, and I'm also going to show you a small cut as well. So the first thing you need to do is to prepare the area that you're working on. So just take some cotton wool.
My hand's really veiny.
And some IPA. So this is 99% alcohol, and then you're just going to cleanse over the area that you're going to be working on to remove any oil on the skin, any dirt and debris, just so that your special effects makeup sticks to the skin. Okay? So that's our preparation. So I'm going to show you how to do a bruise first. So this is the Kryolan Bruise Wheel that we're going to be using today. So when you think of a bruise, bruises are in all different stages. So we have a really kind of fresh bruise that's deep purple, blacks. We also have your lighter bruises, which are kind of nearly healed. So they're your more kind of pale, beigey green colours. So I'm going to show you a centre part of the bruise that will be quite fresh and purple and dark and black, and then I'm going to also show you the skin starting to heal around the edges and the bruise starting to heal around the edges with some paler shades as well. Okay, so what I've done is just to can my products onto a palette just to ensure there's no cross-contamination. Okay, so we've made sure that the skin's prepped, and we're going to go for some bruising around this area of the hand. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my purple. I'm using the pad of my finger because the heat of my finger will help the product move more on the skin and make it look more realistic. And this is a really quick and easy way to create a bruise. So if you were on set and the character had been in a fight or had been injured in any way, this is how you would apply a bruise quickly. Okay, so as you can see here, that we've already got that kind of purplish, reddish tinge as if the skin has been bruised. Okay, so that's kind of the area we want to go for, as if they've managed to bang that in some way. And then I'm going to take a sponge and I'm going to go in with those lighter shades on an area nearer the bone where the skin started to heal a little bit, and I'm going to take another finger and I'm going to start patting that into the skin. So this is where the bruise has just started to heal around the edge. And as you can see, the heat of my finger is enabling this product to spread further. When you do see natural bruising, it's never completely perfect. So some areas have started to heal quicker than others due to the blood supply around that area, or how harsh the impact was on that area. Okay. And we're going to go in for a lighter shade, again just around the initial area of impact where the skin has started to heal most. So right on that bone is where we want the most impact. And then a little tip, just to kind of finish it off, you want to take a really, really fine brush and go in with that deepest navy, just in the centre or wherever the most impact is. So looking at this bruise here, our biggest impact is just there. And we just want to do a little bit of dotting where the biggest impact is. Okay, and then we're just going to pat that in to make it look more realistic. Okay, it's all about building the product as well. So you don't want to go too harsh too quickly. Less is more, and you can always add to less. You can't take away from more. Okay, so as you can see here, you can see the bruise. Just move your hands so you can see that. And see the impact of the bruise. So that's how you do a really quick bruise at home.